everyone, I just wanted to give a quick little video on how I dot my dominoes super easy and fast, and it will not stress you out. I make a lot of dominoes, so this is the quickest way I've found to get them done. I got these needle tip bottles from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. They come with these needle covers to keep the paint from drying out. If you happen not to put the cover back on, the paint will dry up in the needle tip and you will have to find something to stick in there and unclog it. So I strongly suggest you put them back on. Now I've tried the acrylic paint pens, permanent and water-based, and don't get me wrong, they work well. However, an issue I was having was after letting the paint from the pen dry, I'd come back and all the ink would sink to the bottom of the dot, leaving the sides unpainted, so I have to repaint the set. So with these needle tip bottles, I can control how much paint I let out, and also the paint doesn't sink to the bottom of the dot. I hope that you try this method out. Let me know how this works for you so you can get perfectly dotted dominoes that do not stress you out every single time.